So one of my favourite places to film is the Lake District, and that's where we've come today. So I'm going to go to a few different locations, testing out the DJI Mini 3. I've also brought the Mavic as well, and the FPV drone, because this area is just awesome for different types of content, which I'm going to be filming today. First place I've come to is Blea Tarn. It's just about a 5-minute walk down there. So let's get to that area and get the drone in the air. This area is awesome. So it's got this really nice lake here, and then just in the background you see this massive mountain range as well. So it's been great for drone content here. Get the Mini 3 out first and then get the FPV out. Just look at that. That is absolutely stunning, isn't it? And I'm hoping as well that this lake will get some nice reflections as well from some photos. So I'll get the drone a bit further back and use this lake to get some reflections of the mountain range behind. So that's the plan anyway. Let's see if it works out. So what an absolute fantastic place this is. I thought the Mini 3 did ace there. Really good photos and videos coming out of this. It's really nice and bright as well, good conditions. I've got an ND16 on here, so I was able to bring my shutter speed down. But let's not forget, this is the entry-level version, the Mini 3, not the Mini 3 Pro. I've not even had to use the Mavic 3 yet. I will be using it soon, but for this location I just wanted to use the Mini 3, showing you the photos, videos. It's great, I can switch up for horizontal and vertical, so I can post straight to social media. So straight away this Mini 3 is doing fantastic. So I'm now going to move over to Lingmore Fell just behind me and get the FPV drone out. It looks like that is just FPV world over there. Hopefully don't crash it, and then move on to the third location. So I'll see you at Lingmore Fell. So I'm at Lingmore Fell now, another breathtaking area here. Just look at this view behind me if you could just make that out. That is absolutely stunning. So FPV time. So I've brought the DJI FPV. I've also brought the DJI AVATA as well, but it is quite windy up here. So that's why this FPV drone, the original, is just so powerful. And also, just listen to that noise. I mean, you never get old of that, do you? So I'm going to go and fly that. You've got to be quite strategic when you come to these locations with an FPV drone, because I'm going to put a GoPro on top of it. So you get about 8 minutes of flight time, which is not a lot. Same on the DJI AVATA. So I'm going to have to try and pick my spot. So I'm just doing a bit of location scouting at the moment. I'll get that drone in the air, then I'm going to move to the next location and then fly either the Mini 3 or the Mavic 3. I'm not decided yet. So that was a lot of fun. I'm going to try actually the DJI AVATA before I move on from this area and just show you the difference between using the GoPro footage on the DJI FPV and this is now going to be straight out of the DJI AVATA drone. See if you can tell any difference. Hopefully it handles the wind okay. It is pretty windy. It's not going to be fantastic in the wind because it's a lot smaller, and that FPV drone is so powerful. It isn't as powerful, but we'll see how we get on. Let's go. I was actually really impressed with how the DJI AVATA handled it then. So what do you think? So the DJI AVATA was using the inbuilt camera, and it was using no stabilization whatsoever, because I put that into gyro flow. So you can use the gyro data on DJI AVATA, put it into the free gyro flow software, and then you get these really nice stabilized shots. Whereas on the GoPro, I was using, again, no stabilization, and then using GoPro Real Steady, which is £100 for that program. So what do you think about the difference between using the DJI FPV with the GoPro and the DJI AVATA just using the normal camera that's built in? But I have decided just to get one more shot here, because I just want to get a really nice landscape shot looking out to just that tarn and then the mountain range in the background using the DJI Mavic 3. And this video is brought to you by Rode, and I'm actually using for audio their brand new Video Micro 2, and this is a fantastic microphone. I use their first version in Mallorca, and I like it because it's really nice and lightweight with good quality sound. So let me know what you think about the sound quality coming from this video. But the best thing about this microphone is its price. It's literally under $100, and you get really good sounding audio like this that you can connect to your camera, or you can connect to your phone as well and get great audio from your phone. So if you want to go and check this microphone out, I'll link it all in the description below. But I'm really happy with this new version. It's lighter, better quality sound, and it's got a really good shock mount on it, so it takes away any vibrations in the audio. Really good. Alright, so I've now switched over to the Mavic 3 Classic. This is a fantastic drone, just come out as well. So to show you the difference between maybe this drone or the Mini 3 and how much you can get out in terms of quality. So this shoots in 5K, it's also got loads more slow-mo options, and basically you'll see for yourself, this is just fantastic. But in windy conditions, this is just a complete tank. So it's not as much as a Mavic 3. You don't get the telephoto camera, that's basically all you're going to lose. Everything else on this is exactly the same, so I really do like this drone. So in cameras you have the lenses, which are classed as the holy trinity. You've got the 16-35, the 24-70 and the 70-200. I would say the holy trinity of drones is the DJI Mini 3, the Mavic 3 Classic, and one of the DJI FPV drones. Then you've got like the holy trinity of drones. You've got everything you could possibly want. It's got the Mavic 3 in the air, got some really good lighting at the moment, so let's see how good it can do. So overall, really successful day there. So I've tested the Mini 3, the Mavic 3 Classic, DJI AVATA and the DJI FPV. So really good in this ACE area, but yeah, really successful. The Mavic 3 Classic, I think to finish, really good photos and videos. And the battery life, I did photos, videos, I tested the new waypoints and the panorama photos, and the battery life, there's still battery life left. So the battery of the Mavic 3 Classic is just a beast and really strong in any winds, so really good. So I do hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, just for me freezing my arse off filming this video. And make sure if you are new around here, you subscribe. Loads more content coming soon. But I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.